type of hotel. 1. Hotel types by size. 2. Hotel types by location. 3. Hotel types by rooms. 4. Hotel types by star rating. 5. Hotel types by target market. Hotel types by size. Hotels are categorized by the number of rooms to which service is provided. For example, below 200 rooms, very small up to 200 rooms, small 200 to 399 rooms, medium 400 to 700 rooms, large more than 700 rooms. Mega hotel types by location. They are categorized by considering their location with respect to city. 1. Airport hotels. They are located near airport. The guests in transit use them for short stay. 2. Boatels. They are on the houseboats such as Shikara in Kashmir. 3. City center. Located in the heart of the city near commercial area. 4. Motel. They are small hotels usually located on highways. Transit guests use them. 5. Suburb hotels. They are located near urban area. Budget guests use them. 6. Floating hotels. They are on the cruise ships, large lakes, or rivers. 7. Resorts. They are on the beaches, mountains, islands, or on the river banks. 8. Rotels. They are hotels on wheels such as Deccan Odyssey train. 9. Self-catering hotels. They are located at the same premises where the owner stays. Types of hotel rooms. The condition of guest rooms maintained by housekeeping is the most vital factor as far as the customer satisfaction in the hotel business is concerned. 1. Single room. A room with the facility of single bed. It is meant for single occupancy. It has an attached bathroom, a small dressing table, a small bedside table, and a small writing table. Sometimes it has a single chair too. 2. Double room. A room with the facility of double bed. There are 2 variants in this type depending upon the size of the bed. 3. King double room with king-size double bed. Queen double room with queen-size double bed. It is equipped with adequate furniture such as dressing table and a writing table, a TV, and a small fridge. 4. Deluxe room. They are available in single deluxe and double deluxe variants. Deluxe room is well furnished. Some amenities are attached bathroom, a dressing table, a bedside table, a small writing table, a TV, and a small fridge. The floor is covered with carpet and most suitable for small families. 5. Double twin double room. This room provides 2 double beds with separate headboards. It is ideal for a family with 2 children below 12 years. 6. Twin room. This room provides 2 single beds with separate headboards. It is meant for 2 independent people. It also has a single bedside table shared between the 2 beds. 7. Hollywood twin room. This room provides 2 single beds with a common headboard. If a need arises, the 2 beds can be brought together to form a double bed. 8. Duplex room. This type is composed of 2 rooms located on 2 different floors connected with internal stairs. 9. Cabana. This type of room faces water body, beach, or a swimming pool. It generally has a large balcony. 10. Studio. They are twin adjacent rooms. A living room with sofa, coffee table and chairs, and a bedroom. It is also equipped with fan, air conditioner, a small kitchen corner, and a dining area. The furniture is often compact. 11. Lanai. This room faces a landscape, a waterfall, or a garden. 12. Suite. It is composed of 1 or more bedrooms, a living room, and a dining area. It is excellent for the guests who prefer more space, wish to entertain their guests without interruption and giving up privacy. There are various types of suites minus. 13. Regular suite. Best for business travelers. 14. Penthouse suite. Luxurious than the regular suite. It is provided with the access to terrace space above the suite. It is aloof from crowd and provides a bird's eye view of the city. It has all the amenities and structure similar to a regular suite. 15. Presidential suite. The best possible suite in the hotel. 16. Sako. This is a kind of multi-purpose room, which can be used as a meeting room during the day and as a bedroom during the night. These rooms have special beds called Murphy bed that can be folded entirely against a wall. This bed may or may not have headboard. The lower face of the bed, which becomes visible after folding or placing upright, has a decorative wallpaper, mirror, or a painting. After folding the bed, the room can accommodate sitting for 5 to 10 people. Hotel types by star rating. The star rating system is a guideline for a customer that denotes what to expect from the hotel service at the time of booking. However, there is no clear distinguishing method to divide hotels into various star rating categories till today, but a guest can assume that more the number of stars, more is the luxury provided by the hotel. 1 one-star hotel. A guest can expect a small hotel operated and managed by the owner and family. The ambience is more personal and the guest rooms with basic amenities. The restaurant would be at a walking distance. There would be a small commercial area and a nearby public transportation hub. 2 two-star hotel. These hotels are mostly part of a chain of hotels that offer consistent quality but limited amenities. They are either small or medium-sized hotels with a phone and TV. They lack the convenience of room service, but provide a small on-site restaurant at a walking distance within their hotel premises. 3 three-star hotel. These hotels are usually located near major business center, expressway, and or shopping area. The rooms are clean and spacious rooms and decorative lobbies. An on-site restaurant offers all meals such as breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The facilities such as valet and room service, fitness center, and a swimming pool are also available. 4 four-star hotel. This hotel would be large, often standing as a part of a cluster of similar hotels with a formal appearance and very good services. The hotel would be located in the prime area of the city around shopping, dining, and entertainment joints. The guest can expect furnished and clean rooms, restaurants, room service, valet parking, and a fitness center within the hotel premises. 5 five-star hotel. This hotel would be large and luxurious, which offers the highest degree of room and personal service. It is built with beautiful architecture and is managed keeping elegance and style in mind. The guest rooms are equipped with high-quality linens, TV, bathtubs, and special outside view from the room. The hotel provides multiple eating joints in its premises such as coffee shops, restaurants, poolside snack joint, and bar. They also provide 24x7 room service, valet service, and personal protection service. Hotel types by target market. Here, the hotels are categorized depending upon the target market they serve. 1. Airport hotels. They target the business clientele, airline passengers, or any guests with cancelled or delayed flights. 2. Business hotels. They primarily cater for the guests who are on business travel. 3. Bed and breakfast (B&B) hotel. They are small hotels who target guests in transit or on leisure tour. The owner of B&B usually stays in the same premises and is responsible for serving breakfast to the guests. 4. Casino hotels. They target the guests interested in gambling. Their functions of housekeeping is primary, but food and beverage functions are just supportive. 5. Resorts. They target high-income busy professionals who wish to spend time away from city, noise, and crowd. They offer facilities such as spa, tennis court, fitness and center, sailing, snorkeling, and swimming. 6. Self-catering hotels. They target long stayers who prefer to cook themselves. They offer a small kitchen and kitchen amenities with the guest room. 7. Service apartments. They are located in residential colonies. They provide long-term accommodation for guests. They need to execute an agreement with the guests for the stay of at least 1 month. All basic amenities such as kitchen, washing machine, dishwasher, and beds are provided with once-a-week housekeeping service. 8. Suite hotels. These hotels offer a living room and an ensuite bedroom. The professionals who need to interact with their clients, customers find these hotels a good choice because they can interact with their guests in small meetings without any interruption and sacrificing privacy. Next video is coming to you soon. Look forward. Subscribe to this channel and like and comment your idea if you like the video. Thank you for watching.